Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the AirLight button-down shirt from Western Rise. It's made from a highly durable, incredibly soft, air-textured supplex nylon and an airy post-consumer recycled polyester. The fabric is finished with a light durable water-repellent finish, and it does indeed repel water very well, as you can see here. Before embarking on the trip to Thailand, I applied a coat of Soy's permethrin spray-on insect repellent, and although it says it doesn't harm water-resistant coatings on the clothing, I think it did somewhat reduce the efficiency of the water repellency on this shirt, so be careful if you're thinking about doing that yourself. Aside from that, the shirt does dry very quickly and is fairly resistant to creasing. It dries in less than an hour and sometimes in half an hour given the right conditions, especially if you wring it out thoroughly after washing it. There are a few times I rolled up the shirt and put it into my backpack and then pulled it out and put it on the next day without any noticeable creases. The fabric is very lightweight and breathable too, which make it perfect for hot and humid weather. I usually rolled up the sleeves while I was wearing the shirt during the day and unrolled them in the evening to protect against mosquitoes, and in both cases I never felt too hot or overheated. In terms of sizing, I'm about 5'10" and 154 pounds or 70 kilograms, and I usually wear a size extra small for t-shirts and button-down shirts, especially in the outlier range. However, the smallest size available from Western Rise is a size small, and I feel that it probably is at least half a size too big. It looks like more of a relaxed fit on me, but it's nothing a trip to the tailor couldn't fix. Two of my favourite features of this shirt are that it has a hidden button-down collar, which makes the shirt look a bit more formal than those with a visible button. The second feature I really liked, and was complimented on a couple of times while wearing the shirt, is the rail tape secured front pocket. It's a really great feature and came in handy more than a few times while I was travelling. It's really quick and easy to open and securely close again, even with just one hand. It has a very satisfying clicking closure sound, as you can hear here. The shirt cost $109 US, which is about 158 Australian, which certainly is not inexpensive for a shirt, but is lower than competitive brands like Outlier. The quality of the shirt and fabric and the components alone make it worth the cost in my opinion. I've been wearing the shirt in some hard wearing conditions with a backpack and there's no signs of wear or tear, so I can say with confidence that I believe this shirt will last for a long time. Overall, a really nice, lightweight, quick drying shirt that is perfect for warmer weather while travelling. And I would highly recommend this shirt, especially if you're looking for a new techwear button-down shirt. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what kind of travel shirt you wear when travelling, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.